Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to fix a problem with your Dialux file. Say if your original Dialux file isn't loading, isn't opening, or when you're trying to open your Dialux file there is some error displayed. So I received a request for help from one of my connections, Mr. Muhammad. So he worked on this project which is of facade and interior, and he says that the Dialux file is not opening. So let's he also sent me the screenshot of the error during loading of the file. Okay, so he has sent me even the files. So let's open those files, villa file and the backup file. First let us try to open the original Dialux file and let's see if the same error is showing even for me. Let me open the file, double click to open. Okay, even I can't open the file because I have this same pop-up because there is an error during the loading of this file. Okay, so what we are going to do is how we can fix this, that the original Dialux file is not accessible. You can't open it after doing a complete project of interior plus facade. How we are going to fix it is that by default when you do a project in Dialux will always have a backup file with same name .evo.bak. What you are going to do is simply click on this file, rename, and just remove that .bak and enter. It will ask you if you really want to change the file name. Say yes, and I have this file. Now my backup file is converted into evo file. Okay, I will click this one and see if it is opening now, and I can open the Dialux file. So this is how you can, there's no issue with the backup file. Interior and facade both are present. So this is how you are going to fix if there is an error loading your original Dialux file, then you can make use of your backup file. So this is it guys in this video. If you have any issues with the Dialux files, you can ping me here on the comments, or you can even connect me over the LinkedIn and I will try to assist you with your doubts. If you like this video, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more and Dialux with me. Thank you.